Look at this campfire, too, deceptively benign. It's ISIS again, and its foreign fighters burning passports. Video emerging only in the last few weeks. In that fire, a Canadian passport belonging to this man who makes his intentions clear.
This is a message to Canada and all the American Tawagheet. We are coming and we will destroy you, bidnillahi ta'ala. After Sham, after Iraq, after Jazeera, we are going for you, Barack Obama.
Is he really a Canadian? Yes. CBC has learned his name is Farah Shirdon, and he's from Calgary. Was a student at the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology in 2012.
Message to Canada.
He's from a good and involved family in Canada. His uncle is this man, Abdi Farah Shirdon, the former Prime Minister of Somalia, a man who recently waged a difficult battle against extremism.
I left comfort for one reason alone.
There's now shock within the family about Farah Shirdon and among those who encountered him and others, sometimes in the small mosque attached to the apartment building.
Do you recognize that type of language he's using, that sort of that aggression? Did you recognize that at all?
No.
What do you think when you hear that?
I mean, I was really shocked because he's evolved like big time, because I don't remember him even